Hello students, yesterday we were discussing about human excretory system. Human excretory system, its parts of the system and the units, excretory units called nephron. The structure of nephron we were discussing yesterday. So after the structure of nephrons, you have to draw this diagram. Human excretory system, you have to draw a diagram and label the parts of this. So if we see, yesterday we were discussing this one, the structure of nephron, and here these are the in the kidney. You can see here kidney, structure of kidney. In the kidney, in each kidney you can see medulla, cortex, these structures you can see. And in this medulla, in this medulla part, here there are the nephron. These nephrons are situating in this part of the kidney, and there are millions of nephrons. Millions of nephrons are there here in this part. This is the cross section of kidney, and this here the respiratory units, which are called nephrons, are situated, and each nephron has this structure. Like this, millions of nephrons are there in each kidney. So the blood is filtrated, and the nitrogenous waste are removed here from the blood. Here these are glomerulus. The network of capillaries are called glomerulus. In this glomerulus, the nitrogenous waste from the blood is removed, and with excess water, with the water present in the blood, the filtrate is removed through these tubes. Filtrate contain water, nitrogenous waste, amino acids, they are the units of protein, glucose, and some salts. All these together are filtrated out from the blood. And this blood, when it is filtrated, so much of water is removed from the blood that is needed by our body. A large amount of water is removed from the blood that should be reabsorbed, otherwise there will be dehydration in the cells. Most of the water content in the blood is filtrated in this glomerulus. So this water should be reabsorbed, and some salts, some glucose, amino acids, all these should be reabsorbed. And this reabsorption is taken place in various parts of the this tube, this proximal tubule, means proximal end of the tubule, this one, distal loop, distal tubule, the other end where the collecting duct is connected to the tube is called a distal tubule, and the second one is loop of Henle with the capillary network here. So in this portion, a lot of reabsorption take place. Water, amino acids, glucose, salts, etc. reabsorbed back into the blood. Then it is the nitrogenous waste, urea, uric acid, etc. dissolved in the water is collected in the collecting duct, and from the collecting duct it is sent to the urinary bladder through the ureter from the kidneys. And we can see the structure of kidneys here. This from the kidney, the urine, the final product, the final waste product, which is excreted, is removed through this ureter. Both kidneys has one ureter each, and it is connected to a bladder by a balloon-like structure, muscular structure, that is bladder. And when the bladder is filled, it passed through the urethra. The opening of the urinary bladder is called the urethra. So you have to draw the picture of urinary system. And here the human excretory system is explained here. You can read it out. For that, for reading it, I am take the text here for you. I took the text out of your book from here, out of a helping material. Okay. Next is excretion in plants. Excretion in plants we are going to learn in the next video. Before that, I want to say you one more thing. As nephrons are the excretory units in kidneys. Nephrons are the excretory unit in kidneys. Like that, here it is written the functional unit of kidney. Functional unit of kidney. Here it is written. Nephrons is called the functional unit of kidney. They are the filtering units. So this is a very important thing you have to remember. We have learned in respiration that in the lungs there are alveoli as respiratory units. They increase the surface area for gaseous exchange, and they are the site of gaseous exchange. There is a question that to compare the structure and function of alveoli and nephron. Compare the structure and function of alveoli in nephron. Alveoli and nephron. Alveoli in lungs and nephron in kidneys. Okay. So we will do it later on we will do it. Here there is the structure of nephron, and the function of nephron is excretion, excretory removal of excretory waste, nitrogenous waste from the blood. Okay. Now draw this diagram. The same diagram is given here, and draw the diagram of the structure of neuron also. Nephron also. Structure of nephron. You have to draw here copy. So one diagram you have to draw this, the other diagram to draw is this one, structure of excretory system. Okay, both are very important diagrams. Now draw it and learn it. Okay, another video we will learn about excretion in plants.